Hello guys, so welcome to the channel. So I came to the warehouse today and I just realized that we are beginning to have problems. Just a little problem actually. This is the hole. This is the hole that's going to serve as the intake. And from the look of things, I discovered there is water in it. So where did this water come from? Then I realized because we did not cover the top here. Apparently, when it rains, we are in the rainy season, right? When it rains, some of the water passes there and then poured on the floor and then straight to the hole, right? So actually, it's not a major problem because we have just identified what the cause is. So what we will do is we will just fix here this whole place, this whole rectangular, whatever. I don't know what we are going to use actually, but I'll speak to the carpenters and the professionals what we need, and then we just cover it. I'm sure you have a video of it when it is covered. So, but it is actually not a big deal. Okay, I'll just speak to the professionals, the carpenter, and then I'll speak to a few people what we can use to cover here. If you have an idea, please put it down in the comment section. Okay, your suggestions are very much welcome. I'll stand outside and then let you see how it is from how the space is from outside. It's quite huge, but since we've been able to know that it might be a problem, it is no more a problem. All right, so you just take care of it, and then hopefully, and knowing very well that this water something will not occur. All right, it is very good that we discover this before the machines are brought in. This is very good that we discovered it. So you just cover the place and then to know very well that it is going to serve a purpose, a very important purpose when it is covered. Thank you very much. So let me take you to the outside, then you see the view from there. Okay, so this is how it looks from the outside, as you can see. I know you've seen it already, but just for the sake of suggestions, this is how it looks like. What material do you think we can use? Should we use wood, to cover it to the end? It just this. It's like this, right? It's quite big, but you have to cover it. So stay tuned. When we cover it, you will get to see that one too. Thank you very much. Till we meet in the next one. Bye for now.